Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata. I'm a mobile application developer and working in pretty well-known company in Pune. I want to show you how an application developer life looks like or my day-to-day workday. It's been a while that I have vlogged anything like my routine or a travel or something like that. So let's get into it. Good morning, guys. It's 7:30 in the morning, and I've just finished my morning routine. If you like to watch my morning routine, do let me know in comments below. This routine has helped me in many ways, be it my health, be it my personality, or be it my mental peace. So it's really a beneficial routine, at least for me. So do let me know if you like to watch it. Now I'm not going to log in immediately. I'm going to log in at 8. So before that, I'm going to have a cup of tea, something to eat with it, and then we'll start the day. So now let's go and make some tea. I am totally a tea person. You guys might be knowing that from my videos. I have also shared my everyday tea recipe. Check it out if you like to. I usually have curry or butter or any toast with the tea. I know it's not a healthy habit, but this is what I have been doing from my childhood. So I'm quite okay with it. A cup of tea in my terrace is just how I like to start my morning. It's 8 a.m. and now time to log in. I usually have daily meetings at 9, and before that I always like to go through my task board so that I have a clear idea what all tasks I need to do on that day. This is the time when I also prioritize my other tasks. Once I'm done with the daily meeting, I freshen up and get ready for the day. Once I dress up, I have some breakfast before actually starting the work. I started this habit of dressing up as if I'm going to the office. This helps me in setting mood for the office work. Of course, these are not exact clothes for the office, but as it's summer, I'm trying my best to keep up with this habit. Mostly I do not have any meetings in first half of my day, and I really like this part of the day. In this time I try to work on important tasks or any complex logic that I need to write, or any UI components that I need to design or code, something like that. Writing code for UI and its code behind logic is one of my favorite part being developer. I try to replicate my office day as much as I can. Just like office, I prefer to have lunch around 1 or 1:30. So today I'm going to have this delicious nachni idli and fresh coconut chutney. Depending on the season, I choose a drink to have after lunch. It's 30 plus degree in Pune, so today I am having this coconut drink. I try not to watch TV or read any book or surf through internet. That's something I strictly follow during office hours. Today I had some technical meetings with my colleagues and it was about some critical issues that we were facing. These meetings are often interesting but sometimes becomes a bit exhaustive too. Just a friendly advice, guys. Try to set up desk and workspace ergonomically. I have faced tremendous muscle pain due to wrong posture. I have corrected my sitting posture with the help of physiotherapist and it's really been effective. I would like to share my workspace setup with you all, so let me know in comments below if you would like to watch it. It's 5 p.m. and I'm almost done with the one UI part. So actually I was facing some issue with it. So now it's resolved and now I'm so excited to write its business logic. It's 5 p.m. and it's my about time to log out and call it a day. I do literally nothing for 15 to 20 minutes once I log out. I just sit, relax, just go into the garden and give my little tiny brain some rest. Good evening, guys. So this is how my work day looks like usually, and now I'm gonna make some tea for us. Then we'll go for a walk, and then there are some house chores that I need to do, some grocery shopping, and some blah blah. So yeah, you know the list never ends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.